Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw popcorn for a movie while we learn Spanish. We draw a movie ticket. Movie ticket in Spanish is said, ENTRADA. We continue to draw the popcorn box. Box in Spanish is CAJA. Let's go with the eyes. Eyes in Spanish is OJOS. We painted their eyes black. Black in Spanish is NEGRO. Now we're going to draw some delicious popcorn. We draw some hearts. And we are ready to watch a good movie. Movie in Spanish is PELICULA. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say popcorn in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Now we use red. Red in Spanish is ROJO. Come on guys, it's looking very good. The popcorn has a delicious buttery flavor, so let's go with the yellow color. By the way, butter in Spanish is MANTEQUILLA. Let's see if you know the answer. Popcorn in Spanish is PALOMITAS. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.